is the Dell pure sine wave 4,000 watt 8,000 watt surge power inverter. Now I know that a lot of you are going to say something like, why on earth would I need a 4,000 watt? The truth of the matter is I don't. However, while I was shopping for inverters, while 2,000 watt should be adequate for a cargo trailer conversion, one of the features that I was wanting to have that was not available on any of the 2,000 watt inverters that I found was the hardwiring terminal. And that's really something I wanted, to wire it into my electrical system. So while I was shopping on Amazon for 3,000 watt inverters, the Dell was the one that I was looking at. It was on a special pricing. It was reduced to about $400. Just about when I was ready to pull the trigger, all of a sudden the price shot back up, and it was like 570 or something like that. Canadian, I'm talking Canadian dollars now. But this one popped up, 4,000 watt, was reduced by just about $200. This is like a $700 inverter, and they were special priced at 500 bucks. All the features I wanted: pure sine wave, the hardwiring terminal block, 4 110 outlets. So that's what I wound up going with.